Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Okay, in my previous classes I have explained about measures of dispersion concept. Okay, in that range, mean deviation, quartile deviation. In mean deviation I have explained about finding the mean deviation by using in individual series and discrete series. In this class I am going to explain about how to find the mean deviation in the case of continuous series. Okay, finding the mean deviation in the case of continuous series. Okay, these are the class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 50 to 60. Okay, this is the frequencies, these are the frequencies. Okay, so in this case we need to find the cumulative frequencies first. Okay, how we are finding the cumulative frequencies? First we need to write the first observation. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 2, 50. Okay, these are the cumulative frequencies. First we need to find the cumulative frequencies. Okay, after that find the midpoint. What is the midpoint? What is the formula for midpoint? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. Upper limit plus lower limit, 10 plus 20, which is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2 equal to 15. Like that we need to find the midpoints. Okay, in this case we are finding the mean deviation about median. In this case we are using median. Okay, we can find the mean deviation about mean and mode also, but here I am finding the mean deviation about median. Okay, so I am finding the median value here. What is the formula for median? For median, how to find the median class? Here we need to find the summation f. Summation f equal to capital N. Okay, summation f means sum of the frequencies. Okay, what is the sum of the frequencies? 6 plus 7 plus 15 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 50. So capital N, which is equal to summation n f equal to 50. So we need to find the median class here. So for that, what is the formula? N by 2. N by 2 equal to 25. Okay, 50 by 2 equal to 25. So we need to check, we need to find out the median class here. So here value is 25. 25 is near to this. This is 13. This is 44. So 28 is near to 20. 25 is near to 28. And also 25 will come in between 20 and 30. So this is the median class. Okay, this will be the median class. Okay, now in this case we found cumulative frequencies and midpoints, and also we found the median value. So median will be, what is the median class? Median class is this. Okay, so by using this class we need to find the median value. What is the formula for median? Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by f into I. In the case of continuous series, this is the formula for median. Okay, so we know the median class here. What is the median class? This is the median class. So L equal to 20. Okay, L equal to 20 and frequency equal to 15 and cumulative frequency is 13. I equal to class interval, which is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the lower limit of the median class. So L equal to 20. Okay, this is the frequency of the median class. This is equal to 15. Okay, this is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Okay, preceding the median class we need to find. So cumulative frequency equal to 13. I equal to width of the class interval, upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to 30 minus 20 equal to 10. So we know L, F, CF, I, we know all the values. So we are finding the n by 2 also, we know 25. We are finding the median of this continuous series. Okay, so I have put the all the values of the L, F, C, F, I. Okay, n by 2 equal to 25. 50 divided by 2, 50. Okay, so L equal to 20 plus n by 2 equal to 25 minus CF equal to 15, sorry, CF equal to 13, divided by frequency equal to 15, I equal to 10. By solving this, 20 plus 25 minus 13 equal to 12. 12 into 10, 120 divided by 15. 20 plus 120 divided by 15 equal to 8. So which is equal to 20 plus 8 equal to 28. So median is 28. Okay, median is 28. Now coming to this. So we know the median value. Okay, median is 28. We know. Okay, we know the xi values. Xi values means midpoints. We know. So xi minus median. Okay, 5 minus 28, which is equal to minus 23 will come. But in the case of modulus, minus sign, we need to ignore the minus sign. So minus 23 will become 23. Okay, 15 minus 28. 15 minus 28 equal to minus 13. But modulus, we have put the modulus now. That's why minus will ignore. 13 we need to write. Like the 25 minus 28, 35 minus 28, 45 minus 28, 55 minus 28 equal to 27. So we have found the xi modulus of xi minus median. So after that we need to multiply with frequency. 6 into 23, 138. 7 into 13, 91. 15 into 3, 45. 16 into 7, 112. Like that 2 into 27, which is equal to 54. So we need to find the total of the summation fi x minus xi minus median. Okay, modulus. Summation fi modulus xi minus median, which is equal to 508. Total of the column. Okay, 508. Okay. So summation mean deviation. What is the formula for mean deviation? Mean deviation formula is summation fi into xi minus median divided by summation of fi. So this one we know 508. 508 divided by summation fi means total of the frequencies 50. 508 divided by 50, which is equal to 10.16. Okay, this is the summation fi xi modulus of xi minus me median 508, and this is the frequency total summation of fi. So this divided by this will be 10.16. Okay, this is the method to calculate the mean deviation in the case of continuous series by using median. Okay, mean and mean mode also we can calculate. First of all, we need to find the mean. Here we are finding the median. No, if we want to calculate the mean deviation about mean means we need to find the mean. Okay, after that process will be same. If we want to calculate the mean deviation about mode, then we need to find the if we want to find the mean deviation about mode means we need to find the mode value. What is the mode value? Here 16. Frequency, more frequency is nothing but mode here. 16 is, this is the model class. Okay. By this is the same process we need to follow for these three cases. In this case I have explained about mean deviation about median. Okay. Hope it's clear. Thank you everyone. Bye.